Hello? I'm teacher. I'm Pig.
She's not too bad.
I just want to come by the way when I do that.
Thank you, Ate Elsa. Appreciate it.
I'm not Auntie. I'm not Auntie Elsa. I'm Elsa only.
Oh, Elsa only. Thank you, Elsa.
Welcome.
Hello, Jack. Ladwa po mo ka na ang baby. Taasa kasi ang lashes day. Uy, sana oh.
Baby's patient.
Hala, ako na yung lashes ng baby.
Are you good? Good. Good. What's your name? What's your name?
Paris.
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 Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is my baby, Celine.
She's just introducing the sister.
Yeah, your sister.
What's her name?
This is Celine.
Baby.
Celine.
Celine. Oh, it's beautiful. Do you love your
And he's got that book gummy.
Do you love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Good morning.
I like Barbie.
You look like a baby, siya, tita. What you're wearing? Come on. Yes. Stand there, baby. Stand there.
And then test
Uy, wala pa ka nag-inom. Welcome back
my channel.
to our
Paris.
channel.
Like this.
Barbie pose?
Barbie pose.
Barbie pose? What are you eating? Siya, tita, what you're eating?
I'm super.
Elsa bread. Hala, have a look at your neck, Nakbi. I think they put sunscreen again.
What's that?
It's red. Anyways, time check, guys. It's 11:51 ng umaga. Makita ko ba ang aking mukha? Woy! Nakapag-shower si mami nyo, guys. Katakot ang mukha, eh. Nakapag-shower si mami nyo kasi si Daddy Mike ay nilakad niya si Baby Celine sa shops kasi sobrang ganda ng araw sa labas. Nagka-time tayong maglagay-lagay ng ating mask. Ayan, oh. Mukhang wakwak. Tingnan niyo. Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Have a look
Ito.
at this one.
Tingnan niyo, tulog na tulog. Yan. So, sinama siya ni Daddy Mike, kaya naka-time tayong maligo. At
Dad has been bonding.
chika. Huh?
Bonding with Celine.
Yeah. Daddy loves it, don't you, Daddy? Daddy loves the, the walking with this one. With Baby Celine.
I
Ayan.
love walking. I like being outside with the girls more than being in the house.
More than me. I thought you said like, I love being outside with the girls more than you.
No, I like just doing stuff. I don't like sitting around home with them.
Yeah, I know. Especially today, guys, kasi sobrang ganda ng araw. Hindi ko masyadong kita yung screen kasi wala akong glasses, guys. At ito siya ay i-ano ko na. Do I look beautiful? Nak, tingnan niyo si Paris, oh. Nak, do you think that's yours, Nak? Do you think that's your raka?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, kakaroon.
So eat your bread, eat your also bread, honey, because we want you to get big. Strong.
We're gonna take
Don't
this
stand on it,
one
don't stand
out
on it,
now.
don't stand on it.
Shush.
Eat your bread, Baba.
She looks very comfortable there. Oh. I'll just take this off, Bob. And I'll take her out. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, sobrang laki na. Oh, big girl ng ating
Do you mind
baby.
do you mind just to put her on the bed? Taking her out so I can have a Okay. Hey. Put it in my mouth. Oh.
Hello? I'm teacher. I'm Pig.
She's not too bad.
I just want to come by the way when I do that.
Did you have fun, Celine?
So
She probably can start wearing that.
Okay,
Or like change her hat to like a woolen ones.
Let's go.
Yeah, on days like this, it's too hot to wear it.
Hello, tita and tito.
Are you gonna go to see Mummy?
Hello. Good Anong oras na ngayon? Good noon? How are we all going? I just went for a walk with Daddy. Oh, did you enjoy it, na?
I'm gonna.
Sinusutan ng kanyang tatay.
Daddy got you these ones.
Ng
Wrong.
Zara, you loved it.
sapatos.
No, it's a baby.
Yeah. You were like that.
What's the name of your dog, honey?
Daddy, can I have this? And say, of course, Daddy, you have that one.
I think that's what happened, yeah. Yeah, actually, no, you really wanted these ones, didn't you, Mummy?
Mm-mm.
You were like, you were adamant on getting these, and Daddy just got it for you because I'm soft. And I give you
Because
everything.
Daddy is a softie.
Daddy gives you everything that you want.
Daddy is the giant softie.
Daddy just gives you everything he wants. You want.
Kitty.
Without any discipline.
Wow.
This way, sugar.
Keep singing.
I love you. It's a special day. You will turn your hand and
Okay.
turn your hand to a floor.
Okay. Hello, Paris.
Hello.
Hello. Bring, bring.
I'm not Paris. I'm Elsa.
Oh, hi, Elsa. Can you please get baby Celine a nappy, please? Just one?
Okay. I'm coming right off.
Thank you very much. I'll wait for you. Bye. Dito ang ating baby girl, bibihisa natin. Ay, shush. Naning kamo. Sige, iya, oh. My lifesaver. That chupon is lifesaver, anak. Good girl. She's big girl kayo, oh. Buyag, oh. She's buyag, oh. Don't cry na. Don't cry. Shush na taka.
Mommy?
Yes, Elsa? Yeah. What is it, Nak? Did you find the nappy for baby Celine? Ito pa suot natin sa kanya, guys. Hey, sobrang cute, diba? Bakit ang dilim? Ay. Diba? Sobrang cute. Ganda kasi ng araw, guys. Minsan lang. Alam niyo ba, this one, tinago ko to siya kasi, 3 to 6 months. Ayan, 3 to 6 months. Pero kasyang-kasya na to sa kanya ngayon ba? For sure. Tingnan niyo naman ang katawan nito, oh. Dugay, ato nag-uwag napi, oy. Nadatugan ka sa napi, na? Thank you, Ate Elsa. Appreciate it.
I'm not Auntie. I'm not Auntie Elsa. I'm Elsa only.
Oh, Elsa only. Thank you, Elsa.
Welcome.
Say thank you. Thank you, Elsa. Ikaw na ba? Say thank you, Elsa. Nak, do you like this one, Nak? We'll put this on baby Celine.
Yes, I did like that.
You like it? Oh, I love your dress as well. You look like Barbie.
Yeah, I'm a baby girl.
Which rooms are you not going in?
I'm
Both?
Just saying, yeah.
I'm really not Barbie. I'm really want to be like Elsa.
Okay. If you say so. If you say so. Alam nyo guys, may hinihintay pala kami. Pasensyahan nyo na ang aking buhok kasi hindi ko pa sinuklay. Hindi ko kasi sinusuklay hanggang hindi siya mag-half dry. Tapos tinatry kong i-blower. Sobrang hirap i-maintain ng ganitong buhok guys. Uy, kung alam nyo lang. Grabe, sobrang hirap. Ayan. So, yun na nga, mahinihintay kami yung aking friendship na si Jerlyn. So, pupunta siya dito ngayon. Sabi niya mga around 12:30 siya makakarating dito. Kasi pipick upin niya dito yung mga damit na yung aking mata ay wala pang tulog guys. Uy, alam niyo ba yun? Kaya mukhang sambol ba? Sambol. So, nung isang araw guys, nag-declutter ako. So, yung mga gamit ko na hindi ko na, yung mga damit mostly na hindi ko na sinusuot, nilabas ko silang lahat kasi, anong tawag dito? tambak lang sila lahat dyan, tapos hindi ko sila nasusuot. So, I'm trying, right, to be minimalist. Yung mga damit ko na sinusuot ko lang talaga, yun yung iiwan ko dito. Kasi magpapadala din ako ng box sa Pilipinas. So, yung ibang mga damit na hindi ko sinusuot, nag-send ako ng mga photos sa aking mga friendship kasi, anong tawag ito? Last time kasi, binibila nila yung pre-love ko, o diba? So, para makabili tayo ng diaper tsaka gatas, ibenta natin. Alam, aking mata ba? Hindi ako makaano. Very blurry, anak. Very blurry, anak. Ayush! So, yung isa, the other day, pumunta dito. Nakabili siya ng mga damit ko. And then, this time, meron, ayan, pipick upin niya yan dyan, oh, ayan. Sineparate ko na. Yan yung mga damit. Ito siya. Ito sila. Mga ano, tutupiin to sila. Bagong laba. But that one there. Kaya siya ito pupunta. Which is really good as well because it's also parang time din namin na magka-catch up. Kasi you know what? We haven't seen, oh bless you anak. We haven't seen each other for years. I think, years. So sa Facebook lang nagkikita-kita, usap-usap, ganyan. So, parang perfect opportunity na rin to.
A few moments later.
I changed my mind, guys. Yun yung pinasuot ko sa kanya. Kasi, maliit tingnan. Alam niyo ba, pang 3 to 6 months to siya? At ang ating 7 weeks na parang lalaki, oh. Hi! Do you like it, Nat? Do you like your dress? Kasya sa kanya, guys. Do you like your outfit? Ay, gosh! 3 to 6 months. Kinoo ko kanimo, anak. Nakgatas ra ka tanan, nak? Okay ra ka, nak? Buyag-buyag, nak? Elsa, look at Celine.
Now, Ola.
Hello. Oh, wow.
Okay, come on.
Do you like that dress?
She looks like a boy.
Huh?
She looks like a boy.
Boy.
Put a headband on it. From the
Naku, she headband. Did you see the headband, nak? Did you see the headband?
No.
Look in the neck.
I got this yet.
It's here. I found it. Lagyan natin ng headband para maging girl. Sobrang ano man tingnan, oy. Tingnan niyo, oh. Wow. Ay, shush! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hello? Lagyan natin ng headband. Oh, a bit better? Huh? Medyo babae na? It's okay, sweetie girl. Oh, it's Didi time, isn't it? It's Didi time. Hang on. I'll have this one for now, and then we'll have Didi shortly, okay? Achoo! Good girl. Sobrang dami ko kasing binili na damit ni Daddy Mike, tsaka ako rin, guys, na mga 3 to 6 months. Tapos tinago ko sila kasi para sa akin, malaki pa. Tapos nung tinignan ko ba? Kasya na pala sa ating baby Celine. Kasya na pala.
A few moments later.
The baby girl had to change her clothes kasi nakapupo, nag-explode. Nak, what happened to your yellow dress, Nak? Ha? Kalibang, day? Kalibang. Wala naman, day. Kaya siya. Padala naman ang Pilipinas tanan. Kaya wala magdagdahong mga mabuntit today. Hello, here they are. Say hi. Dito, okay, against the light.
I don't get her there.
What is it, Nak?
Don't get her.
See? Hello! Say hi, J. Oh, gwapa kita ng mega ay. Let's go on. Introduce your self, Char.
Hi, my
This is your
name is
first
G.
time sa vlog. Sa
I
namo.
have my YouTube channel, but I don't use it much.
Amo ba sa among vlog?
Oh yeah,
No, last.
first time.
Asa na ko nag-vlog na mi sa una dahil katong birthday niya.
Wala pa.
Wala pa? Ah, okay. Have a look at her baby boy. Gwapo kayo, guys. Meet Jack. Hello, Jack. Hello, gwapo mo ka na among baby. Taasa kasi ang lashes day. Uy, sana oh.
Baby, patient.
Hala, ako na yung lashes ng baby. Hindi na ako Oh, yan.
Mommy,
Dili ka sagot? Dili ka sagot? Yes, ano?
what happened to your baby from the nurse?
What happened?
What happened to the baby?
What happened to the baby?
Yes, baby. What happened to her?
Nothing happened to her, man. She's good. Butang siya. Lagi na ko lang. Katawa-katawa. Anya. There you go. Sana, oh. Di na kinahanglan magpakuan. Lash extension yung bataan eh. Hindi pa kinahanglan lalaki mo hindi eh. No?
Si Mami
Tita
ra.
na lang na, be. Tita na lang
Yeah,
na
ito,
yung pilok,
bravo.
be. Grabe ka itong day.
Klaro ka ayo day.
Kung sayang papa day. Gusto tawagan sa size yung papa ba? O sa'yo papa ko day ko an? Australian na siya day or
Dili ka ng half na siya. Ay, dili na. Ayaw mama half Australian, half German.
Ah, okay.
And then yung papa pure kay ka ng mga taga-England sila yung
Uy,
English.
ka day. Ay. Would you like a coffee? Would you like
So
a
yung
coffee?
great-grandma kay English ka.
I'll get a coffee.
99 lang yun. Nasa aged care.
Sana ako.
Binibisita ga ito humana ang lockdown.
Shush! Ang bata, oy. Cute ka ayo, oy. Tara, so excited ka sa kanayang kadula.
My dad have a blue.
A boo.
Yes.
A boo.
Si Papi. Bubu. Nanay.
Day, talagsa, ragin ni Day. I'm not gonna jinx it. Talagsa rin siya pabutang, Day. As in, karon nag-all siya, oh.
Hindi kugos daw. Huwag man di mo ka na. Ako siya ibutang. Magulang ka dito sa kuha. Punito.
Na, pares lagi, Day.
Uy, radyo ko ana. Ako na siyang punito. Sa dinhila kay maluwi ko dugay na gani na ko.
Kani pa ba? Buyag kayo, nak na?
How na may mag-walker dahil. Lingaw na kayo siya dahil. So, asa na siya maalat sa balay. Matuloy na gusto sa kong trabaho.
Na. Dugangin na, Day. Dugangin na. Kaya maatiman niya yung kong galingan.
Babae niya, maldita na ang sunod.
Tinuod, gid siguro laingon, Day, nga mabawi sa ikaduha. Ay, kani siya, ang akong wala ako nakuan nga. Huwag na ako na-feel sa mga kani siya, naghilak, nga, nag-kuan ko sa kadlawon, nga, nagpatulog ko sa kadlawon, kaya naghilak. Kani siya, Day. Na, bawi kayo, dani niya. Nak na? Pero bahala dia, ay, palangga magapon ni sa mama kayo.
Tagal.
A few moments later.
Daddy cooked something for lunch. Well done. Okay, we're having steak and rice. Filipino is real.
Wow, very good husband.
Ate Paris is enjoying, Tita Joel reading the book.
Ay, that's it. This one. What
But
happened?
our baby girl
We
is.
gathered the puppies and escaped from the mansion nearby. But you realized that just for the rest we're happy. Right.
What's under
Kain na tayo, guys.
They're under.
Excuse ta, ano ha? Gulo sa likod, Kailangan namin tupiin yan.
We'll take them all home with us. There are lots of puppies this store.
Jack is now falling asleep.
Suddenly we heard a very screech outside. It was the and Jasper.
Thank you,
There
Daddy.
goes Tim. Oh no. A stir behind the fender.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here, come, let's go eat.
Have some rice. Come. Come here with
Ating baby
everyone.
girl ay nandun na, nagpalapag siya. Good girl.
There's rice for you. Just rice. Clean rice.
Paris, go, come eat na, no?
You don't want any clean rice? Okay.
You don't want to eat?
Okay.
I think Jack will eat rice
Just
too.
eat.
Yeah, Jack's eating. Paris not. See? Good boy, Jack.
Good boy, Jack. Jack's so big.
May suka, saka tuyo pa. Oh, you can hold yours.
I'll make a drink. I'll make first.
I'll get your drink. Oh, you hold this one. Okay, I'll get your water. Oh, this water. Whose water is this? Oh, this is Jerlyn's. Nakaramang ko eh. Hello, friends. It's 2 o'clock ng hapon. 2 o'clock ng hapon and we decided to go out kasi maganda yung araw. Nanawag na ang atong anak isa. So, pupunta kami ng park. Maglalakad-lakad kami before mag-start ng work si Daddy Mike. So, nakalabas na si Jerlyn tsaka si Jack. Ito siya ilalagay namin sa pram. Kasi tulog. Nak, Paris Nicole,
Come this way.
can you just grab my phone, please? Because I have baby Celine.
Okay.
Come here. It's here, anak. Sugoon na to ni B.
Where?
Come here. Come inside.
Okay.
Can you reach?
Yes.
Wow, big girl naman dahil ka na. Shh. My phone is there na ko. It's charging. Can you grab for me, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Tara na. Near your ice cream.
Oh yes. I know that is what there.
Thank you, ate. Thank you. Okay, open the door na. So we can go out.
I'm going to the witching big things.
What happened?
I'll-
It's a bit windy. Palabas na kami. Ayan. Kita ba, guys? Kang nag-blurred ah. Ating baby girl. Oh, diba? Sobrang ganda ng araw. Ang ganda-ganda ng araw.
Siyempre, watch out.
Watch out.
Jack loves walking.
Sige. You love walking, ay? Shh. Baby boy. You love walking? Yeah. Kasi pag hindi ka walking, ay. Laki na po kami kay Nara diri sa atbang ang park.
Natabukos pa, malimbigan. Ay, asa pero tabukos.
Ano rin? Yung ko dani. Say, around the block, oy, kay. Tungo mo pugayog diri radyo kayo. Pero say ka daghang kita diri ba?
Kalingap diri pa ko nagpuyo.
Baguhay pa lang ni Day. Baguhay pa sa nila gi-open kay. Wala man na diya sa una kana wala. Kanang park diya sa una gamay pa kayo.
Make sure if you're gonna make sure I'm getting it in.
Kani mga karaan kay ni. Ito dang gi-kuan gi-renovate nila ba? Mm. Wow. Ha? Oh, good. Okay, looking at you. Careful. Good job.
Wow. You're very good.
Magpuan. Magtumiganda ay mga shops. Yan na siya. Sorry, ganyan na. Mommy, I'm actually a little bit tired. Okay.
Ano naman?
Kay mura may kuan buhat sige. Lihok. Mura gid siya kuan no. Magunsa man ko sa iyong birthday day.
Magpa-party man unta mi pero dili sa ko magpa-party kung wala pa visitors
Wala
daghan.
pwede man.
Ano lang sa kanang magbutang kay pag decoration pero kanang gamay lang.
Kuan na lang day kanang sa tawag gaya na kanang online. Video call na lang nga. Kuan sa
Malit na
celebration.
may mga decoration kay sa party team ba yan iya ha. Malit na po. Magbutang lang gihapon kog decoration.
Sige, uy, ano kung dili? Good job, Paris.
Nag-gym pa ni Sigya Mike.
Diha ra gyapon sa kuan garahe. Oy! You okay? That's alright. You just missed it. Keep going. Why aren't you sleeping? Ha? Ngano wa man ka natulog? Madere. Tutok siya sa camera eh. Artista ka pohon? Ha? Dawat ka permi ba ay pudo kay ka?
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
I don't know what's the blue tag. It's on my bucket.
I don't know where you put the blue tack, honey. Maybe you drop it.
I didn't drop it.
Ating baby Celine ay ayan. Sleeping peacefully. We're going home.
Ready?
Okay, well, you can go home early.
Yeah, they're going home now.
There you go. See you, Jackie boy.
Nice to meet you, Jackie. See you next time, day. Mag-ano yung mag-vlog. Sina, salamat, day, ha? Salamat kayo. Mag-ano na ta, chat-chat na ta, makalaag mi or... Doon lagi. Puhon. Uy, balik ka diri or ako adrid to or... Vice versa. Ha? Pag-imbitar, ha? Or I'll invite myself. Drive safe, oy! So, nakaalis na sila, guys. Ngayon ay aalis din kami. So, it's currently, 10 past 4. And nagmamadali ako. Piyong-piyong naman din itong baby, oh. Nagmamadali ako kasi gusto kong pumunta ng post office. May kailangan akong i-post, guys, yung mga nabenta ko rin online. O, diba? Online, online seller na ang mami ko. Oo. Kasi nga yung mga damit ko, diba? Inano ko na. Tapos yung isang bag ko din nabenta ko. Kaya, yun ang ating ipopost. At habang ito ay piyong-piyong sayang mata, ilalagay ko ito siya sa ating pram. You can go for a walk. And, Ate Paris, na. Put your shoes on, na. Ha?
I'm gonna cut something.
Okay. You cut when we get home later. Careful with that beef. Give me the scissors, please. Ate? Ate? Naughty girl. Come on, take care of yourself na.
I'll be right.
Do you wanna stay here? Anak. Sige na kayo, late na ta. Come on, look.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay. Did you like Jack, na?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I'm wearing my outfit dress.
Are you?
Yeah.
Can we take that off now so we can go?
No.
Oh, we'll get the ice. Come on. Daddy, she doesn't want to come.
You should go, mommy. As long as we get surprised. But if you're not grab it, you're not getting surprised.
Yeah, only Celine's gonna get ice. Okay, Elsa, we're going on our way to the post office. Ate Paris is there. Ito yung post natin, guys. Louis Vuitton na bag. Tapos may mga damit. Honey, this way, nak. Princess, this way. She has been a really good girl today. You want to see Corella?
Yeah, Corella will come out.
I don't want to. I'm scared.
Not scared. I'm brave.
You're brave. Wow, I wish I'm brave like you.
But yes, when keep eating the food, you get grow and a big like me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ayan. Ang Ate Paris ay mag-scooter. I hope hindi siya. Yeah. Mapagod ba? Kasi baka magpakarga yan. Mayroon pang Mayroon pang scooter. Paano na lang? Makapanawag kita na emergency 000. This way, nak. It's so good that we're able to catch up, guys. Kasi, yung nga, can you imagine, ilang taon? Kahit na parang neighbor kami dito. Yes? Really? Come on. This way, it's very windy. So, yeah, even though parang magkapit-bahay lang kami dito, no, kasi hindi malayo. Mga lang daw, mga 30 minutes lang daw yung drive. Hindi kami nagkikita kasi nga, itong pandemic din to, di ba? 2 years na din, kaya yun. So, it's good. It's very good. It's, yeah, it's very nice to meet Jack as well kasi mag-1-year-old na si Jack in 2 weeks time. So, first time namin siya nakita, and also, first time din nilang nakita si Baby Celine. Hopefully, pag nag-ease na yung restriction na pwede nang biyahe ng medyo malayo, ganyan, para ma-catch up din natin yung iba pa nating mga friends. Paris, Nicole, slow down! Free will kasi, oo, tingnan nyo. Bitawan ko from ni Baby Celine. Good girl.
Can we keep going?
Yeah.
Yay.
I just want you to be careful, anak. You have to, yeah, you have to keep an eye for cars. What is it, anak?
I just in the car with the white car.
Yeah.
See that?
See, when you see
I
A driveway?
Oh,
when you see a driveway like this, you have to check because there might be cars coming up. Okay?
no cars.
Ganda yung tulog ng baby girl. Ah. So which one you want? Baba, which one? Tell me. Gusto niyang Gatorade, guys. Ay, Powerade. Water? Water? Oh, good girl. I'm very proud.
Because the orange one is a nap it's for grown-ups.
That's right.
Because grown-ups like medicine.
That's right. Yeah, that's medicine. That one is very good for you. See? Daddy will be really proud. Daddy, we have to pay for that one first. Give it to Tita. Bumili rin ako ng fried rice, guys. Wow, very proud na.
Mayok.
Out of everything there, yan yung pinili niya. Kasi gusto niya ang Powerade. Hindi pwede. Wow, so strong. Go, give it.
Hello, how are you? Are you good? Good. Good. What's your name? What's your name?
Paris.
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 Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is my baby Celine.
She's just introducing the sister.
Yeah, your sister.
What's her name?
This is Celine.
Celine.
Celine. Oh, it's beautiful. Do you love your...
And he's got that book gummy.
Do you love your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I know. So soon. It's beautiful.
How old is she sleeping? 7 weeks.
7 weeks.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
What are you doing, Nat? Dito kami ngayon sa park. It's 5:30 in the afternoon. Naglakad-lakad kami from the post office. Dito sa park. Gusto ni Paris na
in the park.
Huh? This is a park, Knock. This is what you call park as well.
Baba, I can't see the park. And I can't see anyone to play.
Yeah, that's playground. The other one. This one is park. See? We're sitting on the bench. There's lots of greens. Bumili ako doon sa Vietnamese
Mine?
shop ng
Mine?
fried rice.
Mine?
Yes,
Why
please.
does the tree look like that?
What is it now?
Why does the tree look like that?
Why is it the tree looks like that?
Yeah.
I think that's because of the gravity of the earth. No, that's because of the wind, I think, not.
See the wind over there? Look.
Yeah, it's blowing it away, see? See, it's blowing away, that's why. Tulog na tulog ang ating baby girl doon, oh.
Mine?
Hmm?
There's another tree standing.
Yeah, another tree standing there.
Just cause they got the blue text in them.
Oh, they've got blue tack, that's why?
That's why that's
Oh,
that.
wow, it must be a big, massive blue tack, man.
Yes. And that one don't have blue text either.
Which one?
That one. Like the wind blows.
Oh, yeah.
And it fall over.
Because it doesn't have a blue tack?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Ah.
It just
Nak,
fall over.
mag-on ka, nak?
It just fall over
Advertise
there.
kag blue tack? Pila bayad sa blue tack nimo?
Blue text. I like blue text.
Do you?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause cause blue tacks are yummy, and you can.
Yummy?
No, no.
You don't eat blue tack?
No. I'm saying we're gonna play with it.
Okay, yeah, you can play with it, but you can't eat it.
Yes. You for mommy, daddy, auntie,
What's wrong?
aunt. My aunts. The aunts coming.
No, pulis yan. Mula, uy, taka. Damuguram to ni Manak. It's just a dream.
I just seen the end in my leg, and
It's not there, see?
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's not there.
I just seen one, Master. I just seen one when I was sitting.
Yeah, it went away.
Where was it?
Yeah, down there.
No, cause but I'm still, but I have few plays there. I want to play in this park.
Yeah, you can go play there.
What? I seen something gray there.
Gray.
Yeah, I seen one.
What do you think that is? Careful di anak, kataas na ba anak? Bukulan di anak.
Okay,
I'll just eat this one. Do you want some this na?
okay.
No, thanks. Karon. Butan lang giliw palis yang. Di ka mo tubo nak.
I'm there.
I don't go far away nak. Stay here. Just stay here. Just around here. Yeah. Kain muna ako guys. Uy, habang naglalaro ang isa at ang isa ay natutulog. This is our time to shine.